All right, people, welcome again, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time span you are in at this present moment. I welcome you again to another episode, show, update on MG Sports TV. I am your host, MG. I am your host, MG. Hopefully, you guys are actually having a wonderful day. It is actually Friday, people. It's Friday. All of that work stress coming off your back. Just relax. When you reach home this evening, just relax. Let down your hair. Just let yourself breathe. Just relax a bit. So hopefully you guys definitely. I know it's a tough week, but hopefully you guys enjoy this day and let the weekend take care of you. But remember, how you treat the weekend, that is exactly how Monday morning will treat you. So be careful. Be very careful of that. Anyways, so we're here to speak about this Dexter Lembikisa transfer update for this Dexter Lembikisa and official announcement of him being a part of the Gold Cup squad. Now, I saw a leak. Is it a leak? I can't say a leak Gold Cup squad. I'm going to announce the Gold Cup squad, the leak Gold Cup squad to you guys, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about that. And I'm also going to tell you what I think about it. And the announcement of Dexter Lembikisa would actually debunk the league squad. Anyways, so before we do that, people, let me give a shout out to our channel members. I think this one is quite interesting. Raymond Austin, Ravan Bennett, Jeremy and Swable, the original Zilla, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Black Icon, 40, Feather 5, Lee Bell, Devon News, Rocco Reacts, Jamil Winter, Marsden Ricketts, Ari Link Up, Andy Ellisworth. My sincere respect to you guys. You guys help me to keep this show running, and I really, really appreciate the effort that you guys put in. Now, before we get into anything, I'm going to give you guys the leak squad. This is what I'm going to give you guys, the leak squad. So just give me a second. I'll be getting to Lembikisa. But I want you guys to hear the leak squad, and I want you to tell me exactly what you think about it. In goal, we have 3 goalkeepers: Andre Blake, Corey Adai. You guys remember him from, I think it was the Catalonia game. Jamal Waite. Then we have defenders Ethan Pinnock, Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Joel Latibodier, Adrian Mariappa, Amari Bell, Javian Brown, Kemar Taxi Lawrence. Remember, in that, I wanted to listen keenly. Defenders: Ethan Pinnock, Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Joel Latibodier, Adrian Mariappa, Amari Bell, Javian Brown, Kemar Lawrence. Listen to the midfielders now: Daniel Johnson, John Russell, Kevin Lambert, Ravel Morrison, Leon Bailey, Bobby Reed, Jamal Lowe, Demarai Gray. Finally, and the man in front, Omar Hutchinson, Mikel Antonio, Shamar Nicholson, and Corey Burke. And that is the leak. Let me use my 2 fingers them. The leak. So it is the leak. Give me some light. So it is actually the leak squad, Gold Cup squad, the leak one. But apparently, as you can hear clearly, there was no Lembikisa in it. So when I got him like, oh, Lembikisa, after those performances, after that performance again against Mexico, really no Lembikisa. I really thought that Lembikisa it would be in the squad. Then I went to do some research. I'm like, he's not injured according to the Wolves website. That is how I end up saying that he's actually slated to go on a loan this transfer window. I'll be getting to that a bit soon. You guys know the team that we'll be going to. But that's a little bit down further in the program. So that's when I realized that, hey, I found out that there was actually an announcement that he will be a part of the Gold Cup squad. So that is what I would say, that one little aspect of it would debunk the league squad. Alright, so let me just show you guys the announcement. Let me see if I can show you guys the official announcement for him. Let's go. Announcement. So this is here, as you can see on IG. Congratulations, Straight A Sports, which is, I think, it's management. Congratulations to our player Dexter Lembikisa on being selected for Jamaica national team to participate in the to be selected in the national squad for the Gold Cup, the 2023 Gold Cup. And as you can see, I think this is the agent, Ice Blake. Yes, it's the agent, Ice Blake. And Dexter Lembikisa now in the comment section. As you can see, well done, wonderful. Showing showing a bit of appreciation right there. Big deal, then. Big deal everywhere. Big up, big deal. So certainly he would have debunked the aspect of this announcement would have debunked. I think if you get one wrong, especially with the squad, you're likely to not get the squad accurate. You're likely not get that. There are a few names in the squad that you can just pinpoint those names and say, hey, it's automatic that these names will be. For example, Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, it's Ethan Pinnock. These names are basically automatic. So you can fill in the blank with these names. But the ones that are difficult, like maybe Whisper, Lembikisa, Ravel Morrison, Omar Hutchinson, these ones are still unconfirmed. There's still a bit of nigglings there where that's concerned. Even the Mariah Gray, still a bit of nigglings. But certainly one to look at. Alright, so in the meantime, as I stated, transfer, just give you a bit of transfer update here where this is concerned. Good. So Port Vale and Burn are interested in signing Wolves defender Dexter Lembikisa. This is according to EFL transfer. Also, officially, I've seen I think I don't remember the website. I think it was one of the EFL tweet and good. And it actually stated that me not get English, me not get the translate. And it actually stated that it definitely stated that the Wolverhampton are very, very interested in letting go on loan solely because they want to see him develop. They want to see the player continue to develop. They don't want to keep the player in the youth setup for too long. They want him to go out to play against big men. Remember now, he's playing international football. They want to have him playing competitive, highly competitive, either fighting relegation, fighting to keep their head afloat, or battling at the top of the table. They want him to be part of something like that and be playing consistent week in, week out against high competitive players, not just in the youth setup. So Wolverhampton, this is something they want, and it's actually a loan, so they're not at any risk of losing him. In the event that his loan spell go out, all right, I do believe that he'll be coming in to get a solid spot in the Wolverhampton setup. Remember that he has already been the second choice in many aspects in the FA Cup, EFL Cup. He has already been second option in that aspect. So play game with the first team, so which means that they are thinking about him extremely highly to put him in the position to be playing those games. So certainly they have high hopes for him, and they see a future in him. I think they recently signed a three-year contract in March. If I'm not wrong, please don't quote me wrong. And a 3 or 2 year, I think it was done in March. So certainly they have a lot in store for him. So big up Lembikisa, Dexter. Hopefully, guys, come and give us the 100% that you always do, and wish you all well, all the best on your loan move. Hopefully, make the right decision. Go to a club that will give you consistent game time for your proper development. People, tell us what you think about this announcement to Dexter Lembikisa in the squad. Are you happy about this? I'm delighted. Everyone know that Dexter is actually one of my favorite players. Very, very talented. I highly rate this youngster so much. So people, big up, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and people, see there up there, so 30k subscribers, 30k subscribers. People, help me get there. Help me. Tell a friend. No, tell a friend. Take away your friend phone and hit the subscribe button on it. Take away your grandparents when I hit subscribe button. And share it. Share, people. I do think you guys will enjoy it. Anyways, big up, people. MG Sports TV, people. And we are out.